Jennifer Elizabeth with Peripeekalist Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be awesome. So this is a Romwe haul. Actually, it is two Romwe hauls, two separate purchases that I ordered, two separate orders that I purchased. So I'm going to share all of that with you. I also have another Romwe haul that's coming in, and this one is going to be amazing. So that should be arriving this week. I cannot wait to share that with you as well. So without further ado, let's look at what I hauled. First, we will start with some clothes. I basically I hauled a lot of summer shirts, and then I hauled a lot of crafting supplies and a couple of random items as well. So these shirts are actually already out of the package because I wore them. They were so cute. I couldn't wait. I love this. Look how adorable, and look at that cute little hedgehog. So cute. I love the colors. Obviously this is more of a fall shirt, but still so cute. I love it. So yeah, I purchased all these items on the lightning deals. Every day they have different flash deals, lightning deals, and they're super cheap, like between $4 to $6 for a t-shirt. When you partner that with your points and your coupons, it's awesome. So this is the next one, another one that I wore that I love. It's so cute. I love the colors and I love the graphics. Lonely Cabin. How cute is that? Look at that mint green, and I love the moon. So there's that one. That's a second shirt. Now the rest of them are still in the packaging. So little ASMR as I open them up. So this is super cool. I thought it is a cotton blend, but it almost looks like there's a little bit more of polyester because there's a little bit of a shine to it, but still really cool. I love the tie-dye effect, and I love the moon. So that right there. Oh, this is super cute too. I forgot I ordered that. We'll wait for that. We'll do that one in a second. Sometimes when I'm looking through these sites, I just find random items and I'm like, why not? But they're so silly. This is awesome. So with Romwe, I basically did large and extra large because with shirts, I like them to be big. I would rather them that, especially if they're 100% cotton. Perfect to wear for like a night shirt as well, or with leggings as more of a longer shirt. That's my style. So I love this. I think it was perfect. I love the palm trees. I love the colors, the sun, Los Angeles, California. I just cut off my face a little bit there, but that's okay. All right, we'll do this one. It's cute. It's quirky. It was like, I couldn't resist. So I actually ordered two different styles, but one of them was sold out. But look at this. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. Look at the moon. So some moon and stars. Might as well keep it on. We'll show another quirky item. This was just like, why not? Why not? So cute. Look at this it's like a little headband for when you wash your face or put on your makeup. A little froggy. He's so cute. I got a frog hat as well. That's the item that sold out. Super bummed, but at least this guy, they still had in stock. Couple more shirts, and then we will get into some random items, some chit chat and crafts. Okay, this one right here is another Los Angeles. I love the butterflies. I had to do it. The butterflies are just absolutely gorgeous, and it looks like they have like lightning bolts or some kind of really cool graphic around them. Love that. This one is really pretty. I believe this one is another butterfly. This one is like another nature one. Look at these, the butterfly. So there's a butterfly, the frog, the mushrooms, look at the cute little snail. So adorable. And there's even like a little bug down there, but yeah, love it. Love the colors. Again, with Romwe, I've been experimenting with a lot of colors I don't normally wear. I don't normally wear yellows or browns, but this is a perfect way to try different colors and different styles and just different graphics for a very cheap price. See if they work. So one more. This one is so pretty. I love this one. Love it. Just very kind of like retro looking, and it's all different herbs. I'm really into gardening and all of that, so I thought that was adorable. So now I will show you these really beautiful graphics that I got. This is actually a sticker. I got 2 of them. There you go. So it says the gift of hope. I hope you can see that. So 2 of those. Now for some random like fun items, like I don't know. This is super cute. It's like a little ice cream cone, but there's a little hand towel in there. How cute is that? So a lot of the items with Romwe, it will say like random color, random item. This one did show the item, but I had no choice for the color. That was so cute. And these were like so cheap, especially with the coupons. And especially with the coupons and my points, a lot of these things were like less than $1. So I was gonna buy 2 of these, but I wanted to try the quality. For the price, I should have just ordered 2, but it's just one of those little bottle brushes. It's like one of those little scrubbers that you can use for cups while you're washing dishes, things like that. So yeah, I thought that was fun. These are crafting items. So these are adorable, little Christmas charms, and it was just a random assortment of Christmas charms for crafting. So this was cute. I actually haven't opened it yet. It had something to do with succulents, I think, and they're cute little, oh yeah, they're so cute. They're like these cute little mini succulents, perfect for a fairy garden or just for any kind of display. Yeah, let me I'm gonna press pause, open these up, and I'll show you. Okay, they are so cute. Look at this. So adorable. Little faces. I hope that will focus and you can see that. There's that one right there. This is, like I said, perfect for a fairy garden or even just for like a chair tray or something like that. So cute. This is like almost like a Hoya Kyrie, but it's like a little cactus too, but that's what that one reminds me of. And we have this one right here. I think that's like a barrel cactus, maybe is what it's called. It's not that perfect with succulents and cactuses, but I'm definitely always trying to learn. But yeah, I think that's what that one is. And there's that. How cute are those? So that is everything on the table now. So that's everything that I have so far. I have a lot of the crafting items over there. I'm going to probably show you them on the table because what I did was I got a lot of washi tape. Definitely the washi tape I'll show on the table. Some of the other items I'll show you right now really quickly, but the washi tape I'm going to show you on the table because 2 separate hauls. I hauled a ton of it. I have so many crafting projects, like I said, going on. Lots of things that I'm working on with Gianni. He loves it as well. He loves crafting. Let me show you. So this one I'm actually going to show like this, and I'm going to give a shout out to Diana from Diana Loves Colors. She actually, I think she hauled this exact item in one of her Romwe hauls, and I was like, oh my goodness, how did I never see that before, girl? I love it. So I think that's the one, or she hauled something very similar, but I had to have this. It's beautiful. It's almost like a sticker. It looked like it would have beading on it, but it's just a flat sticker. But it's gorgeous. Like, look at this for crafting, journaling, junk journaling, all kinds of things like that. That's where I'm going with this. Love it. So thank you for putting that in a video because you inspired me to look for this and purchase it. So now, okay, so a couple quick items and then we'll get into the washi tape. So I purchased 4 of these books, and this is one of the ones that says random. So it's random, assorted style. You don't know what you're gonna get. I like that. I think that's super fun. I love a surprise. I love grab bags. I love mystery. I know a lot of you are very crafty, and love crafting and things like that as well. So yeah, this was super cute. I've already used a lot of the, not a lot, but some of the pages from it for different things. So as you can see, it looks like that. There's all kinds of random little ephemera type pictures in there. So I got that one. One I already tore apart at home. It has a ton of like little dolls and things like that, like vintage dolls in. I couldn't even find it, but So this one, oh, and the other thing I like about it is there's white, there's 2 different colors and they're duplicated. So you can get like the vintage, like almost like a cream, and then the old vintage looking paper. So, and that's what they look like. And then here is this. So really beautiful. I mean, you could even keep it like this if you wanted to, but I'm going to be using a lot of them. Again, the only downside is you can't necessarily get them twice. I just hit, I think, 2 or 3 of each of these. Like when I purchased, I just put like 2 in the cart. So that's what they sent. But still, it's nice that you get the doubles because you get the 2 different prints, and a lot of them, the 2 different colors of prints. I don't know that this one has that, but a lot of them do. And these are just like really beautiful landscapes and things like that. So that is that. Couple stickers and then washi tape time. Okay, so also I got this. I got 2 of these. How adorable. So this is like little, so these are like little leaves, so little sticky notes, but perfect again for journaling, just for notes, anything like that. So there's that. This was just quirky, and why not? It's a little chair to put your phone on when you film or watch a video or anything like that. So, I mean, I don't know how it looks, pretty flimsy, but I figured maybe if you're watching a video or something, Gianni would like it, or I could like demo it maybe with a different phone on the channel for you just to see what it's like, but that's what that is. Then I got multiples of these. So these are some stickers. I've hauled them before. I've showed them to you. They're absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. If you can hear that, the windows are open. There's some birds and they are singing very, very loudly outside my window. But yes, beautiful ephemera type stickers. There you go. So that's basically what they look like. There's tons and tons of different designs, but that is the premise of that. Then I got some super, super cute Christmas ones, you guys. Super, super cute. This one actually I was able to buy in quantity, and they had like 3 left and I bought all 3. So yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to show you everything on the table, the washi tape, because I got a bunch of it, and then we will finish the video. And then I'll meet you back in the outro. Okay. So I got this pack of the glitter washi tape right here, and Gianni actually wanted to use them right away. These are the only washi tapes that we have actually used. Everything else you're going to see is still sealed or unused. So he decided to swatch them. He wanted to make something for me, so I'll consider it that he swatched them for you so you can see what they look like. So beautiful. And then I got this one right here, which is Valentine's Day themed, love themed. I think there's like 5 in there. So pretty. They had literally just 2 of these left. These are Christmas. So I got them both. There's 1. There's 2, and they are exactly the same. So this next haul that I have coming in from Romwe is going to have a ton of different crafting items. So you don't want to miss that. That's going to be amazing. Just the items that I found, that I hauled, that I was looking for, in terms of me being able to do journals and just find a lot of other random items to really, really kick it up a notch for my junk journals, my planners, all of that. Cute. This was more for Gianni, little astronaut, and as you can see, they are space themed washi tapes. I'm not going to open up every single one because I don't want this video to be long. I know it's already running a little long. So there's that one. Next washi tapes are these ones right here. And again, I'm not going to take everything out of the packaging, but you get the idea. They're super cute, very kawaii themed. And then these ones actually almost remind me of Easter. That looks like a peep right there. Peep's bunny. So I don't know if this one said Easter themed or if I just got lucky that that was what they had in stock, because with Easter being so close, I purchased this before Easter, but still, that's what I'm thinking. It might even be birthday themed because it says party. And then this one's really, really pretty. These are the thinner ones. But, you know, like I said, when I'm working on journals and I'm really, really trying to get very, I'm really trying to get myself motivated and on track to do journals a little bit more consistently. So I knew there were some items I was missing, and that was why I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go all out and get all these awesome washi tapes to just kick it up a notch a little more with my journaling. And also for scrapbooking. So I am currently working on a couple of scrapbook projects. One of those I will be sharing in an upcoming video that is part of a collab. So I'll give you more details on that and show you what I'm working on with that. But that's what so yeah, so I really definitely wanted to go all out with the washi tape for all of those reasons. But this is beautiful. The foiled tape, so pretty. This is beautiful, the tape like this with these just beautiful gold details and silver details, foiling effect, very pretty. A few more and then we will finish up this video. And the last group of washi tape collections that I got right here. This one's beautiful, and there's doubles of all of these prints. There's doubles of all of these prints, which I absolutely love. Those ones, and then these ones right here. Okay, and I'm back. So yeah, lots of beautiful washi tape. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get crafting with them. Also to share with you a scrapbook that I am putting together that I'm going to reveal in one of my collabs, in one of the collabs that I'm part of. Last item, these beautiful butterfly stickers. I forgot to show them, but I did not want to finish this video without showing them to you. So that's the last item in my 2 Romwe hauls that I shared with you today. You also do not want to miss my next Romwe haul. It's going to be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.